do each and every morning with Scott Crothers and Stifel Nicholas. Scott, a bit of a pullback yesterday. What happened?
Yes, it was. Yesterday, the Dow lost 85 points and closed at 23,349. It was a quiet start to a super busy week. A potential stall on tax reform had investors selling. Even a few big mergers could not bring out the buyers. Yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury fell to 2.37%. So
All right.
a little pullback yesterday.
Everybody was watching the national news all day. All right, Lennar, who are they? What are they doing?
Lennar is buying Cal Atlantic to create the nation's largest home builder. Both boards approved the deal. It just needs regulatory approval. The two companies are coming together to save on costs and expect to save $250 million a year. Single-family home construction only recently got back to its 30-year trend line after falling off in 2007, 2008 financial crisis. So this might be the perfect time for these two to join together.
All right, unless, of course, they cap mortgage deductions, and then that's a whole other story, but we'll wait and see what happens with that. What are we hearing from Olin?
St. Louis-based Olin reported earnings after the bell yesterday. Third quarter sales were $155 billion, up almost $100 million from the year-ago quarter. Earnings came in at $52.7 million, or 31 cents a share. Olin will pay its 365th consecutive dividend, or in other words, they've been paying dividends every quarter for the past 91 years.
Yeah, I love that story. That's a great story. Talk about consistent. It's great news out of a St. Louis company. And then Pfizer, how about them?
Yeah, drug maker Pfizer reported great numbers this morning. Revenue came in at $13.2 billion, up slightly from the year-ago quarter. Their profit rose to $2.8 billion, almost twice what they earned in the year-ago quarter. Year-to-date, Pfizer has returned $10.8 billion to shareholders through dividends and share buybacks. So good news out of Pfizer.
All right, and then today, how do the markets look?
So far today, the Dow futures look up about 40 points right now. We get consumer confidence this morning and more earnings throughout the day. So,
Scott, read the tea leaves and come back and tell us all about it tomorrow.
sounds good. Thanks.
6:42 here, Big 550.